Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pink Villa.
Hi, I'm Dr. Sneh.Pakistan, MBBS DNB Dermatologist, founder and owner of Skin Soul Clinic, your skin, hair and laser expert. I am here to let you know what are the do's and don'ts for this festive season and brides to be this season. Nowadays, with the bridal season or the festive season coming in, we all want to look good, we all want to feel good, and most of all, we want our skin to talk and not anything else because we all are selfie crazy. This festive season, or if you're a bride to be, all I need you to know is your perfect skin type. Because without understanding your skin type, it gets very difficult to choose a right product, a right service, or a right look for the right day. Understanding skin type, there are basic, very few things that you need to know. Types of skin are normal skin, oily skin, dry skin, and combination skin. We can break this into these 4 simple types. Normal skin is just normal. It would not get very oily or cloggy over at end of a day, and oily skin gets very oily and you generally have clogged up pores by the end of the day. Dry skin, you would see red, itchy, flaky lesions on your skin at the end of the day. Or if you have a combination skin, the T-zone may be oily and the rest of the face would be dry. These are the 4 universal skin types that you need to be aware of. Once you know your own skin type, it gets very easy to choose a basic product, a service, or even makeup or a right look for your day. Choosing a right product for your skin type. If you have dry to normal skin, I would tell to use a cleanser, which is for sensitive skin. Twice a day, cleansing your skin is very essential. Keep away from exfoliators because they may further dry your skin. If you wish to use an exfoliator, you can use a very mild exfoliator without any alcoholic base. If you have dry and normal skin, it is very essential to moisturize because it tends to get dehydrated very soon. If you have oily skin, I would tell you to use a salicylic based face wash or a cleanser. Minimum of twice a day is required, and you may use an anti-acne or a sebum reducing cream for your daily routine. A lot of oily skin people think that moisturizers are not essential for them, but yes, it's a myth, and even oily skin tends to get dehydrated. There are water-based moisturizers available today in the market off the shelf. You may use a moisturizer, and it is very essential for even an oily skin face to use a moisturizer. With all the festivities around and all the shopping and the heat and the dirt, we all of us forget to use a sunscreen. UVA and UVB are very harmful to our skin and cause aging, dry spots and dull spots over a period of time. It is very essential to use a sunscreen and the type of sunscreen according to your skin type. If you have an oily skin, you may use a gel-based sunscreen. If you have a dry skin, you may use a moisturizing based sunscreen. To apply a proper sunscreen, you need to understand that even if it's rainy season and you do not see the sun around, you have to use a sunscreen, even because normal lights in your office and day-to-day lights, laptops and phone tan you. Right way to use a sunscreen is you need to apply your sunscreen a minimum of 30 minutes prior to stepping out. Understand it takes some time for the sunscreen to start acting and to start protecting you. You have to apply and reapply your sunscreen at least 3 hourly if you're outdoors shopping. Understand you have to use a wet wipe or a thermal mist to cleanse your first layer of sunscreen and then reapply your sunscreen. The minimum quantity that is used for a basic protection is a teaspoon for your face and tablespoon for each arm. This festive and bridal season, we would talk now upon the products and the treatments available today. I would like to tell you both once what we have at the clinic and once what you could do at home. The ones that you could see at a dermat clinic are anywhere from a facial to an anti-aging treatment depending on the requirement of the skin after the detailed analysis with the dermatologist. We understand your skin type first, understand if you have pigmentary changes, any fine lines, wrinkles, open pores, dehydrated skin. From a basic facial, from an oil control facial to a detan to an Instaglow facial to be done once a month is adequate for somebody who is between 25 to 30 and has a well maintained skin. If you have a lot of stress and a very difficult lifestyle, I would suggest you go for fruit acid peels or mesotherapy, which are very basic non-invasive therapies that you could do once in 15 days. Chemical peels is a misnomer. I rather call it fruit acid peels. A lot of people are scared of it. They are generally made from sugarcane and apple and a lot of products that you generally eat, and they are very safe for your skin. What they do is they exfoliate the dead skin accumulated over a period of time and help to lighten, brighten and tighten your skin. Somebody who has a very sensitive skin and cannot use a chemical peel or undergo a chemical peel, I rather suggest a mesotherapy. Mesotherapy is an infusion of a lot of brightening, tightening agents with the help of a machine which infuses it to the right layer to give you that glow and youthful, flawless skin for your perfect day. After the dermat treatments, if you cannot find a visit a dermat or your wedding day or your festive season is too close, there are some home remedies that you could do by yourself. If you have dry skin or normal skin, I would suggest use milk, any milk, slim milk, whole milk, mix it with sugar and honey and apply it for 20 minutes, let it dry and rinse it off. You could do it once a week to once in fortnight. If you have oily skin, I would suggest stay away from milk. It could clog your skin, and you should use a combination of lime juice with brown sugar and honey. These are the home care remedies that you could do. If you have very tired eyes with a lot of phones and a lot of shopping that you have done, you have basic green tea at home. Brew the green tea. Don't throw away the tea bag. Just keep it in the freezer, let it chill, and whenever you're tired, just apply it for 15 minutes on your eyes. So if you're the bride-to-be and you want to look obviously fabulous and youthful on your perfect day with the perfect glow, I would suggest there are a lot of treatments that one could undergo. We first need to understand how the timeline that we have. We would rather suggest if you have 6 months, so we rather suggest a laser hair reduction for the unwanted hair for the parts that you would be wanting to get done. For your face, you could go anywhere from a mesotherapy, a peel, a anti-aging treatment, which is very simple and my most favorite, also known as PRP. The full form is platelet-rich plasma therapy. It is what we do is we take a general 8 ml of your blood, we centrifuge it, we remove the good grade plasma and the platelets and the growth cells from your own body and infuse it into your skin. What it does, it builds up the collagen, giving you the youthful, supple look that you want for that day. It is the most natural rejuvenating treatment available today at any given dermatologist. If you're suffering from pigmentation disorders on your face and back, what you could go and do is an NDI Q-switched laser, giving you a brighter skin that you deserve and desire on that day. For any other body parts, if you have acne, scars or stretch marks on those days, what we can do is for acne, you could go for anti-acne treatments like microdermabrasions with a combination of anti-acne peels to reduce it. This can be done once in 15 days. And you could do an anti-acne therapy or a treatment, whatever your dermatologist advises you. If you're suffering from back pigmentation, what I would say is use hyperpigmenting creams with a good dose of moisturizer. Protect your back with a sunscreen and go for hyperpigmenting creams and treatments which are available. That could be anywhere between microdermabrasion, fruit acid peels or a laser to achieve the flawless back that you deserve on that day. So with all the stress, lifestyle changes, junk food, we all have dull, lifeless skin nowadays. What you need to do is use an exfoliator once in 15 days. You could have a homemade exfoliator. You could just grind the oats and put honey in it and exfoliate it once in 15 days, or use a normal scrub once in 15 days. Do not increase the intensity. It may cause damage to your skin. Always remember to moisturize your skin because it is very essential to have a supple, moisturized skin at the end of the day. If you're suffering from acne or acne scars, what I would suggest is going into a dermatologist clinic, get a skin analysis to understand what type of scars are you suffering from, because acne could lead anywhere between a hypertrophic to a keloidal scar. Understand the type of scar and the treatment which are available could be basically from anywhere between microdermabrasions to derma rollers to microneedling RF, which are the high-end lasers which are available. And yes, it is possible to get rid of acne scars today, thanking to the technology available. If you're a bride-to-be this season, these are the things that you need to avoid. Firstly, trying new products very close to the D-Day, because it may land up giving you a rash which is very difficult to take care of. Always get your hair trials and makeup trials 2 weeks in advance. You cannot skip sunscreens when you are traveling and shopping, because sunscreen is helping you protect your skin. The next don't that I would say is do not skip on the very essential sleep that you require. Minimum of 7 to 8 hours of sleep is required for skin healing, and it is very essential for your D-Day. The next don't that I would say is please do not cut down on water consumption, because water is very essential for rehydration and rejuvenation of your skin. Biggest mistakes that I have seen people do are use a soap or use plain water to cleanse their face. It is a minimum requirement to cleanse your face with a face wash or a face cleanser, because pH is something that is needed to be balanced to have a flawless skin. The next mistake that people generally do is pop and acne. We all want to get rid of the cyst, but you have to control it, because what it does, it leaves behind dark spots which are very difficult to treat. I hope these tips were useful. If you like these videos and want to watch more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Pink Villa.